You can do the Genesis program if you feel overwhelmed and are short on time, because one of the processes early on in the program is being able to look at why you're overwhelmed or why you're short on time. And a majority of the time, you see where you are being distracted, you see where you are procrastinating, you see where you are doing things that are counterproductive to what it is that you are trying to accomplish, where you're trying to go. And the overwhelmingness comes from disorganization. The overwhelmingness comes from lack of clarity. The overwhelmingness comes from lack of accountability, or when you're living out of integrity. And so if you feel like that, there's never going to be a time and a place where you're like, oh, everything is perfect. I don't feel overwhelmed and I have all the time in the world, because then you wouldn't need me. So if you feel like that, again, it's a perfect time to work with me and this program so you can see why this is happening to where you're at currently in your life.